Welcome to Get Database Training, guys. You are listening to Saif and this is the fourth tutorial of this video series. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a table. So before we get started, I would like you to pause this video here for a few seconds and answer these questions. Well, I assume you have answered all the questions by now. So let's verify. The first question we have, which category of SQL commands deals with table creation? In the previous video, we have learned that there are four categories of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, and the TCL. And the category that deals with the creation of table or that deals with the structure of database objects is DDL. And which command of the above category to use? So we are going to use a create command to create any database object. And I'm going to name my table as TBL student, and it's going to be a basic table with 3 columns. I'm going to name my columns as SID, SName, and SCity. I'm going to use integer for SID column and varchar for SName and SCity columns. So let's have a look at the syntax to create a table. So we are going to start with create and then table and the table name. And we need to specify the list of columns and a data type for each column. Let's see this practically. For this, I need to launch SSMS so that I can establish a connection to my database engine and I can execute this query. So this is my SSMS and I'm going to connect to the default instance of database engine, which is Saif PC. So with this, I have established a connection to my database engine. Now, if I expand databases, I see a database created here with the name SafDB, and this database has been created in the second tutorial of this video series. Right, so now I'm going to click on new query. So I get a query editor window where I can write and execute queries. There we go. Right, so at the moment I see that we have established a connection to master database, and we have learned previously a master is a system database, is a default database which gets established automatically. Okay, so let's switch to our database, and a query to do that is use saf_db and highlight and execute that. Commands completed successfully, and with this we have switched from master to our database, which is SafDB. Now, since we are in our database, I'm going to write a query to create a table, which is create table, and the name of the table is TBL student. I need to specify the list of columns that I want in my table. I want to have 3 columns: SID, SName, and the last one is SCity. I also need to specify a data type for each column. So here I'll be using varchar for name, and I'm going to limit the length of characters to 50. And again, I'll be using the same data type for city, which is varchar of 50. Now, after writing the query, I have to select this and click on execute button. The moment I do that, I see a message, commands completed successfully. And I'm going to expand my database SafDB, expand tables. And here we go. I see a table with the name TBL student. So with this, we have successfully created a table with 3 columns. So that completes this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So should you have any queries, feel free to drop us a line or visit our website, which is www.getdatabasetraining.com, to access many more online training resources. Lastly, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be back with another tutorial soon. In the meantime, keep practicing and all the best. Thank you.